how to find trace of any matrix. Okay, so suppose I let an example. A equals to a11, a12, a13, a21, a22, a23, a31, a32 and a33. This is 3 cross 3 matrix. Anybody ask what is the trace of matrix? So trace of matrix A is simply addition of all the diagonal elements. It is a simply addition of all the diagonal matrix or main diagonal. That means A11 plus A22 plus A33. This is trace of matrix. Okay. So in general form, in general form we can write trace of matrix if trace of matrix A is equals to summation of I is equals to 1 to n A of I equals to simply A11, A22, A33 plus and so on up to n AN. This is a general form of trace of any matrix. Okay. Transpose of matrix. How to find transpose of any matrix? Suppose A equals to A11, A12, A21, A22. This is a matrix A. If anybody asks what is the value of A transpose, what is the matrix of A transpose? Actually A transpose is represented as AT. Okay, so A transpose is what? The procedure is like that. Any row or any column change. This is the first column. It simply change into first row, and second column simply change into second row. That means it is a conversion of row into column, or we can say that column into row. Okay. So A11, actually this column converted into, actually this is the first column converted into first. Okay, so A11 and this is A21. Okay, now this is the second column of matrix A. It is converted into second row. This is the A12 and this is the A22. So this is the transpose of A. Okay, so just I let an example. A equals to 2, 3, 4, 5 is a matrix. Then A transpose equals to, this is the first column converted into simply first row. So we can write 2 and 4. And this is the second row, second column converted into second row. So this is a 3 and 5. So this is A transpose matrix. Okay. Now, properties of transpose of a matrix. Okay, so first one, properties is A transpose of whole transpose is always give A. Okay, let an example. A equals to 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, so A transpose equals to simply 2, 4 and 3, 5. Is it clear? Okay. Now if you find again transpose, that means if you find again transpose, then simply first column into first row, second column into second row. So this is a matrix A and this is a whole transpose of A. Okay, A transpose of whole transpose. It is also equivalent to matrix A. Okay, this is a 2, this is also 2, 4, 4, 3, 3 and 5. So corresponding elements are same. So that's why we can say that this is a right. This is right. Okay. Now second properties is also very important. A plus B of whole transpose is equals to A transpose plus B transpose. Okay, this is the second properties. You can prove it by taking an example. Okay, now third property is transpose of A into B is equals to B transpose into A transpose. This is very important. Transpose of A into B is equals to B transpose into A transpose. Okay. Now fourth property is if alpha A transpose, then this is all equals to A alpha A transpose, where alpha belongs to a scalar quantity. Okay, alpha belongs to a scalar quantity. That means it might be possible any positive integer or negative integer, both can be held. Okay, transpose of matrix. Okay.